Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Sarvadnya Learning Center. Today we are going to present SSC JEE Mechanical previous year question paper solution 2017. In that paper 1, it is the questions from general engineering section from question 1 to 50. So please like our channel and subscribe and share to your friend also. So question 1, if L is the span of light suspension bridge whose each cable carries total weight W and the central deep is Y, then horizontal pull at each support is dash. Option 1 WL upon 4Y, 2 WL upon 8Y, 3 WL upon 2Y, 4 WL upon Y. The correct answer is option number 2 WL upon 8Y. Next, the vehicle moving on a level circular path will exert pressure such that option 1 the reaction on outer wheel will be more, second the reaction on the inner wheel will be more, 3 the reaction on the inner wheel as well as on the outer wheel will be equal, option 4 it depends on the speed. The option number 1 is correct. The reaction on the outer wheels will be the more. Next question, which one of the following law is not applicable for simple pendulum? Option 1 the time period does not depend on its magnitude, option 2 the time period is proportional to its length, option 3 the time period is proportional to square root of its length, option 4 the time period is inversely proportional to square root of its acceleration due to gravity. The option number 2 is correct. The time period is proportional to its length. Next question, in order to double the period of simple pendulum, option 1 the mass of its bob should be double, second the mass of the bob should be quadruple, option 3 its length should be double, option 4 its length should be quadruple. The option number 4 is correct. Length should be quadruple. Next question, a body is vibrating at 10 vibrations per second in a simple harmonic motion of 10 cm amplitude. The maximum velocity in centimeter per second can be. The option 1 100 pi, option 2 50 pi, option 3 200 pi, option 4 100. The correct answer is option number 3 200 pi. Next question, the sum of the kinetic and potential energy of falling body. Option 1 is constant at all point, 2 varies from point to point, option 3 it is maximum at starting and goes on increasing, 4 it maximum at starting and goes on decreasing. The option number 1 is correct. It is constant at all the point. Next question, if two bodies, one light and other heavy, have equal kinetic energy, which one of the one has the greater momentum? Option 1 the heavy body, 2 light body, 3 both have equal momentum, 4 unpredictable. The option number 1 is correct. The heavy body have the greater momentum. Next question, a bucket of water weighing 10 kg is pulled up from a 20 meter deep well by a rope weighing 1 kg per meter length, then the work done is dash. Option 1 200 kg meter, 2 400 kg meter, 3 500 kg meter, 4 600 kg meter. The option number 2 is correct, 400 kg meter. Next question, which of the following is an example of a body undergoing translational equilibrium? The option 1 a body at rest on a table, option 2 a body traveling in a circular path at a constant speed, 3 the body rotating with constant and angular speed about an axis, option 4 a body sliding down a frictionless inclined plane. The correct answer is a body at rest on a table. The option number 1 is correct. A boy is swinging on a swing. If another boy sits along with him without disturbing the motion, then the time period of the swing will be. Option 1 increases, second decreases, 3 double, 4 remains the same. The option number 4 is correct, remains the same because it is independent of the mass. Next question, The type of motion when the acceleration is proportional to displacement is called option 1 translational, option 2 rotational, 3 gyroscopic, 4 simple harmonic. The correct answer is option number 4 simple harmonic. Next question. The escape velocity of body on earth, option 1 increases with the increase of its mass, second decreases with increase of its mass, 3 remains unchanged with variation of mass, 4 varies as the square of change of mass. The option number 3 is correct, remains unchanged with the variation of the mass. Next question. The velocity of the satellite in an orbit close to Earth's surface depends on option 1 radius of the orbit only, 2 acceleration due to gravity only, 3 square root of the product of radius of the orbit and acceleration due to gravity, option 4 product of radius of the orbit and gravitational constant. The option number 3 is correct, the square root of the product of the radius of the orbit and acceleration due to gravity. Next question. A circular disc rolls down an inclined plane, the fraction of its total energy associated with is option 1 1 by 2, option 2 1 by 3, option 3 1 by 4, option 4 2 by 3. The correct answer is option number 2 1 by 3. Next question. An object weighing 60 gram in air, 50 gram in water and 40 gram in oil, then the specific gravity of the body will be option 1 0.25, second 1 3.1.5, 4 2. The option number 4 is correct, 2. Next question. The value of coefficient of velocity compared to coefficient of discharge is dash, option 1 less, 2 more, 3 has no relation, 4 is the same. The option number 2 is correct, is more. Next question. The property of a fluid by which molecule of different kind of fluids are attracted to each other is called option 1 adhesion, 2 cohesion, 3 viscosity, 4 compressibility. The correct answer is option number 1 adhesion. Next question. The depth of water below the spillway and after hydraulic jump are 1 meter and 6 meter respectively. The head loss will be option 1 1.04 meter, option 2 5 meter, option 3 1.7 meter, option 4 2.05. The option number 2 is correct, 5 meter. Next question. If no resistance is encountered by displacement, such a substance is known as dash, option 1 fluid, option 2 water, option 3 gas, 4 ideal fluid. The option number 4 is correct, ideal fluid. Next question. Head loss in turbulent flow in a pipe dash, option 1 varies directly as a velocity, second varies inversely as a square of velocity, 3 varies approximately as a square of velocity, 4 depends upon orientation of pipe. The option number 3 is correct, varies approximately as square of the velocity. Next question. The force exerted by an jet on a fixed plate shown in figure below is equal to, so this is the jet which is inclined at angle theta. The option 1 AV square sin theta, option 2 rho AV square sin theta, 3 rho AV square cos theta, option 4 AV square tan theta. The correct answer is option number 2 rho AV square sin theta. Next question. A weir system in which the downstream water level of the weir nappe is higher than the crest is called option 1 submerged, second overflowing, 3 broad crested, 4 sepulchre. The option number 1 is correct, submerge. Next question. For starting an axial flow pump, its delivery valve should be option 1 close, second open, 3 depends on starting condition and flow desired, 4 could be either open or close. The option number 2 is correct, open. Next. Equation of continuity results from the principle of conservation of option 1 energy, 2 flow, 3 mass, 4 momentum. The correct answer is mass. Next question. When a piping system is made up primarily of friction head and very little of vertical lift, then pipe characteristics should be dash. Option 1 horizontal, second nearly horizontal, 3 very steep, 4 first rise and then fall. The option number 2 is correct, nearly horizontal. Next question. The hydraulic mean depth for a circular pipe of a diameter d running full is equal to option 1 d, option 2 d by 3, option 3 d by 2, option 4 d by 4. The correct answer is option number 4 d by 4. Next question. In a centrifugal pump, the liquid enters the pump from option 1 the top, 2 the bottom, 3 the center, 4 from the sides. The option number 3 is correct, from the center. Next question. Head loss in a flowing fluid is experienced due to a friction at surface, B change of direction, C change of section of passage, D obstruction in passage. The option 1 only A, 2 only B, 3 B and C, 4 A B C D. The correct answer is option number 4 A B C D. The all are depends. Next. High specific speed of a turbine implies that it is a dash turbine. Option 1 propeller, option 2 Francis, option 3 impulse, option 4 Francis and impulse turbine. The option number 1 is correct, propeller turbine. Next question. One dimensional flow is dash. Option 1 restricted to flow in a straight line, option 2 uniform flow, option 3 one which neglects changes in a transverse direction, option 4 the most general flow. The option number 3 is correct, one which neglects change in a transverse direction. Specific speed of a turbine depends upon dash. Option 1 speed, power, discharge, 2 discharge and power, 3 speed and head, 4 speed, power and head. As we know that the specific speed is depends upon speed, power and head. Option number 4 is correct. If a mouthpiece is running full at the outlet, the vacuum at the vena contracta is dash. Option 1 increase velocity of jet, option 2 decrease velocity of jet, option 3 decrease is the discharge, option 4 decrease the value of coefficient of contraction. The correct answer is option number 1 increase velocity of jet. Next question. When a fluid flows in a concentric circle, it is known as option 1 free circular motion, second free rotational motion, 3 free spiral vortex flow, option 4 free cylindrical vortex flow. The correct answer is option number 4 free cylindrical vortex flow. Next question. Maximum impulse will be developed in a hydraulic ram when dash. Option 1 valve closes suddenly, option 2 supply pipe is long, option 3 supply pipe is short, option 4 ram chamber is large. The option number 1 is correct, valve closes suddenly. Critical depth meter is used to measure dash. Option 1 discharge in an open channel, second hydraulic jump, 3 depth of flow in channel, 4 depth of channel. The option number 1 is correct, discharge in an open channel. Next question. Medium specific speed of a pump implies that it is option 1 centrifugal pump, second mixed flow pump, third axial flow pump, 4 axial and centrifugal pump. The option number 2 is correct, mixed flow pump. Next question. The hydraulic grade line is dash. Option 1 always moving up, option 2 always moving down, 3 always above the energy grade line, 4 the velocity head below the energy grade line. The option number 4 is correct, the hydraulic grade line is the velocity head below the energy grade line. Next question. The ratio of depth of bucket for a Pelton wheel to the diameter of a jet is of the order of dash. Option 1 1, option 2 1.2, option 3 1.5, option 4 1.8. The correct answer is option number 2 1.2. The contraction of area for flow through orifice in a tank depends on dash. A shape of orifice, B size of orifice, C head in tank. Option 1 A option 2 A and B, option 3 A and C, option 4 A B C. The correct answer is option number 4 A B C. Next, the flow at critical depth in an open channel is dash. Option 1 maximum, 2 minimum, 3 0, 4 half of normal flow. The correct answer is maximum. Next question, in a Kaplan turbine runner the number of blades is generally of the order dash. 1 2 to 4, 2 4 to 8, 3 8 to 16, 4 16 to 24. The correct answer is option number 2 4 to 8. Next question, air vessel in a reciprocating pump are used to dash. Option 1 smoothen flow, 2 reduce acceleration to minimum, option 3 increase pump efficiency, option 4 save pump from cavitation. The correct answer is option number 2 reduce acceleration to minimum. Next question, a hydraulic intensifier normally consists of dash. Option 1 2 cylinders, 2 rams and a storage device, 2 a cylinder and a ram, 3 2 coaxial ram and 2 cylinder, 4 a cylinder, a piston, storage tank and control valve. The correct answer is option number 3 2 coaxial ram and 2 cylinders. Next question, cavitation is caused by dash. Option 1 high velocity, 2 high pressure, 3 weak material, 4 low pressure. The option number 4 is correct, low pressure. Next question, which of the following pump is used for pumping viscous fluid? Option 1 centrifugal pump, 2 screw pump, 3 reciprocating pump, 4 jet pump. Correct answer is option number 2 screw pump. Next question, steel whose element are used for the purpose for the modifying the mechanical properties of plain carbon steel is called dash. Option 1 alloy steel, 2 inner, 3 stainless steel, 4 high speed steel. The correct answer is option number 1 alloy steel. Next, alloy steel containing 36% nickel is called dash. Option 1 inware, 2 alloy steel, 3 stainless steel, option 4 high speed steel. The correct answer is inware. Next question, carbon steel is dash. Option 1 produced by adding carbon in steel, option 2 an alloy of iron and carbon with varying quantity of phosphorus and sulfur, 3 purer than the cast iron, 4 none of these. The option number 2 is correct, an alloy of iron and carbon with varying quantity of phosphorus and sulfur. Next question, the percentage of carbon in steel is dash. Option 1 0.1 to 0.8%, option 2 0.35 to 0.45, option 3 1.8% to 4.2%, option 4 0.1% to 1.5%. The correct answer is option number 4 0.1% to 1.5%. Next question, hardness of steel depends on dash. Option 1 amount of cementite it contains, option 2 amount of carbon it contains, option 3 contents of alloying element, option 4 method of manufacture of steel. The correct answer is option number 2 amount of carbon it contains. So thank you friends, if you like our video then subscribe and share it, and please click on the like button. Thank you very much.